afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to take a moment and show you how to create a Facebook event. Set up to basically create your Facebook virtual parties, okay? So the first step, of course, is creating your show. So let's sign in to Consultants Corner. We have a very, very quick lesson on setting up a show. Okay, so go to My Shows, click on My Shows and Orders. Scroll right here, click on New Show. And we are going to click on Catalog, then Virtual Show. We're going to do our show date, in this case, today. I'm going to close. I usually do mine 10 days out. So unless you're desperate for sales for the end of the month, and then you can close it on the very last day of the month if you want. Let's just go ahead and allow my host to have 10 days. So let's just go ahead and close it on the first. Whoops, did not go there. On May the 1st. Okay. Show numbers are actually pre-assigned for you. It's actually picking that. I actually don't have, I have like 1,100 shows that I've done, but it's assigning that number for me automatically because I put hosts who have booked way out, I give them high numbers so I don't overlap. So we're going to do, our show name is Alex's Virtual Pampered Chef Show. Tell us more, virtual party. My host is Alex Personas. Yes, we're going to pick on my son. Oh, I guess I could have looked him up this way. By the way, did you know you could do this? You can look up your host, and as long as you already have their information in there, there they are. He pops up. Don't know why he's got so many addresses in there, but that's okay. We're going to create the show. It says a valid email address. Oh, okay. I guess I'm going to have an email address in there for him. Okay. Alex.personas. There he is. Oh. Okay, let's do that one. All right. Create show. Okay. And see, they did find him as a customer contact. All right. The other thing I want to draw your attention to is Show Page tab. Click on that tab, and you can scroll down. You can do a theme, a different picture for your party. You can change your image. You can change your description here. I usually don't, but this is the most important thing I do here is I do change the show URL. So in this case, I am going to make it Alex Personas. I have to check and see if it's available, and it is. So now I'm going to copy that, and you'll see why I copy that in just a moment. Now, let's go over to Facebook. Okay, we're going to create an event now. So you've gone into Facebook, right? You go right down to events, open that up, then you're going to click on create event, and you're going to create a private event. Don't do a public event. Public events cause all kinds of issues you don't want to have, so don't do a public, do a private. Event name, Alex's Virtual Pampered Chef Show. Location right here on Facebook. The date is today. The end time, as you know, we did pick May 1st. And you can pick whatever you want. Totally up to you. For description, I'm going to leave that blank well, I'm not going to leave it blank. I'm going to go ahead and copy or paste his link. All right? I'm going to paste that in there. Now we're going to create the event. I'm not going to add Alex yet until I have done some things, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is go back and click Edit again. All right? We're going to upload a photo. And I happen to have one. Well, actually, I guess I should show you that. Let me show you that. Let me open up another window here, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up another window, and I'm going to open Facebook up again. I do this for every show, so I want you guys to know that this is how I do it, except usually what I'll do is go ahead and set up all my events for 1 month, and I copy them before I've added anybody. That makes it easier because once you've created one and you simply copy it, man, it's a piece of cake to just copy it and edit it at that point. So let's open up Michelle's virtual party going on right now. Scroll down here and here's her description, okay? So we're going to copy that. Whoop, didn't quite copy it all. Copy all of that. And over here under description, so let's go down below that. We do not want to lose that original link I did. And we're going to do that, all right? See, we've pasted it in there. Now I have to change Michelle to Alex. I need to copy this real quick again. And scroll down here and replace Michelle's show URL with Alex's. Keep checking, checking, checking. Make sure I don't have Michelle anywhere else, and I don't. Now let's clean this up by deleting all of that, okay? And move that up. Okay, now you can scroll. Oh, we need to upload a photo, okay? So let's say you've got a show open or you open somebody else's event that you've been invited to because you like their picture, all right? So just what you're gonna do is click on that picture till it opens up in another window basically. Right click it, save image as, and again, I've already saved this, so it's gonna beep at me, but yes, I wanna replace it. So we're gonna save that image. Now go over here and upload photo, and basically you find where you saved that photo and you copy it into your, or you put it into your show. You're not done quite yet. Scroll down here and you're gonna add co-host. You're gonna add Alex. Okay? You're gonna add your co-host basically at this point, okay? Now you save it. Now what's gonna happen is right now, you see that it's hosted by Anita Record. As soon as he adds or accepts my invitation, he's gonna show up as the host as well with me, all right? Now, one more thing that I want to show you as well is I always, when I create an event, I have a pinned post with instructions on how the show works and everything. So we're gonna scroll through here, copy this. This is the pinned post from Michelle's party. Looks like Alex has already accepted my invitation, which is fantastic. So here I'm going to paste what I just showed you, okay? Now there's only one problem, as you can see, that's showing up as Michelle's party, right? We don't want that. So go up here, right click and copy that link address that you've already done. Scroll down here and find where it shows up in Michelle's party or in the original party that I copied. We're going to highlight all of that we want to erase, and we're going to paste Alex's. See how awesome that works? The other thing you'll notice is over here, you see how I have spaces between? That's because that's how Facebook works. If you copy and paste something, it doesn't do the spaces in between. So basically go in there and clean that up before you finish, before you click save, all right? So I'm gonna go down here, and usually I don't invite the host as quickly as I did, or they don't usually accept the invitation as quick as Alex did. And I can have time to clean up everything. But basically just scroll down through there. Whoops. There we go. And put spaces between everything. The other thing you want to do is make sure in what you've edited here that once again you go through, like I told you before, and change everything that needs to be edited. This says the last day to order will be Thursday, April 27th. Well, that's not true because that's Michelle's end date. That is not Alex's. Alex's end date is Monday, May 1st. Okay. Then the first, then it's talking about prizes, and you again can decide all of that. If you just want to do one prize, you can just, you see what I'm saying? You can edit the whole thing. You can change it. All right. Scroll down through here. Scroll down through here. Now my wording here is a little different because I have what is called direct ship. You as a new consultant will not have that because there's a pilot program happening right now. But direct ship, I have to, people when they basically order, it gets shipped immediately. That's not going to happen for you. Don't worry about that right now because again, that doesn't affect you. Now notice I changed the link to Alex's show and look what popped up. Now it's Alex's virtual show that's going to pop up. Perfect, that's what I wanted it to do. Now let's click post. And we're ready now for Alex to invite people. Last thing you want to do with this post is to pin it. Okay, as I said clearly, I'll pin this post at the top of the page so you can find it easily all throughout the show. Now your host can invite people to their party and you can get going. All right. Well, that's basically setting up an event on Facebook. The next training that I'll do is about SitShare, and I hope you all enjoy. God bless and have a great day.